All right, welcome back to the kitchen. Today I'm teaching you how to make my baked beans. That's right, guys. Here are the ingredients. Super simple, full of flavor. There's a bunch to go in, so pause it if you need to. So either way, it is ready to go. I know I am. Are you? Let's go. All right, first things first, most important thing is to soak your beans overnight. That's right, fill them up with water, covering it by an inch and let it sit there and soak. There, once it's been sitting overnight, you're going to go ahead and rinse off all your beans. Come on in with a Dutch oven or a bean pot is the best. I don't have one. I want to get one. Hey, Miss Maddie, we need to get one. Remember that. All right, guys, take some water, cover it about an inch over your beans. That's very important because baking this for a long period of time. Now, what you're going to do, this is jowell, pork jowell. You can use bacon, you can use whatever you want, but I love pork jowell. I chop it into some big pieces as you see me doing here because it's just something to eat when you're having beans. I feel like if you cook the bacon and then it cooks for so long, it renders down and kind of like disappears. The pork jowell is nice because it gives you some chunks of pork in with your pork and beans, right? Exactly. This is perfect size here. As you can see, no two sizes are perfect. So that's what's nice is just make it all rough cut and you're good to go. All right, next, you're going to come in with 1 cup of brown sugar. That's right, very important. Follow it up with 1/4 cup of molasses. You want a good quality molasses because that's what's going to give you your body of your beans. I have no clue what I'm doing here, guys. I'm just playing around with the molasses, making designs in the water. That's right, cooking is meant to be fun. So get you a spatula, scoop it all out. It's very important to do. Just have fun. All right, now you're going to come in and hit that with 1/2 teaspoon of mustard. Follow that up with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of ground onion powder. You're going to come in and follow that with 1/4 tablespoon of cayenne pepper. Follow it up with 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. And then we're going to come in and hit it with my personal favorite, 1/4 teaspoon of cloves and 3 tablespoons of butter. Then you're going to come in and add in your 1 pound of pork jowell. Just throw it in there. Just no rhyme or reason to it. Just get it all in there. Make sure you include every piece because this is going to be awesome. Now you're going to follow that up with your 1 diced onion. Guys, you can dice it. You can chop it. I did a mixture of both. Diced and chopped. That way there no 2 pieces of onion are the same. It's very important. Now you're going to come in and hit that with 1 tablespoon of ketchup. Yes, I don't like ketchup, but I needed it for my baked beans, but that just gives it some body. So go ahead, add some ketchup and stir it. Go ahead, make sure to stir it in. Once it's all stirred in, you're going to go ahead and get a lid and cover that. Put it in the oven and bake this puppy at 350 for a minimum of 6 to 7 hours, stirring occasionally and checking for water levels. After 2 to 3 hours, go ahead, take it out, stir it around. You want to make sure your beans are still covered by water. That's very important. You don't want your beans to dry out. Otherwise, they're going to burn to the bottom of the pan. So once you stirred it and made sure it had the right amount of water, go ahead, put it back in the oven and cook it for another few hours. All right, guys, so it's been cooking for 5 to 6 hours. Go ahead, pull it out and check the water levels. This is what you want to make sure. Add some water because what you just saw, the beans were not covered with water. That could turn very bad. If left alone, it will burn to the bottom of the pan. So make sure to add and cover your beans with at least an inch of water the entire cooking process. Now you're going to come in and add 1 more cup of brown sugar and give that a good stir. Just continue to stir it and get it all incorporated because the best part's coming up. That's right, guys. Get you a spoon and taste it. That's right. Oh my God, these beans are so good. Once you've done that, put the lid on it and cook it for an additional hour, and then it will be ready. All you got to do now is plate it with some fried chicken, coleslaw, and southern baked tater salad, and look at that. That is so good. Hey, give me my plate back. Oh my God, one of these days I'm going to get my food. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching Cooking Time with Johnny, the home of simple, fun, delicious recipes with a country twist. And we'll see you back in the kitchen next time. Thank you, guys.